The Camp Nou renovation project is a significant undertaking that aims to enhance one of the most iconic stadiums in the world. Currently, the renovations are progressing steadily, with various phases already underway, including upgrades to seating, facilities, and overall infrastructure. This project is not just about modernizing the stadium. It holds immense importance for FC Barcelona and its passionate fan base. Camp Nou is more than just a venue for football matches. It is a symbol of the club's rich history and a gathering place for supporters who share a deep emotional connection to the team. As we delve into the details of the renovation progress, we will explore how these enhancements will not only improve the matchday experience, but also ensure that Camp Nou remains a world-class facility for years to come. Join us as we discuss the latest updates and what they mean for the future of FC Barcelona and its loyal fans, setting the stage for an exciting new chapter in the stadium's legacy. As of February 2025, the Camp Nou renovations are making significant strides, with a projected completion timeline set for late 2026. Once finished, the stadium will boast an impressive capacity of 63,000 fans, ensuring that it remains a premier destination for football enthusiasts. During this renovation phase, temporary solutions have been put in place to accommodate fans, including the use of nearby facilities and alternative viewing areas, allowing supporters to continue enjoying matches despite the ongoing work. A key focus of the renovations is the pitch itself, which is undergoing extensive upgrades to enhance playing conditions and overall performance. This ambitious project involves the dedicated efforts of approximately 3,000 workers, all contributing to the transformation of Camp Nou into a state-of-the-art venue. The renovations not only aim to modernize the stadium, but also to preserve its historical significance, ensuring that it continues to be a cherished home for FC Barcelona and its devoted fan base for generations to come. The renovation process at Camp Nou has encountered several delays and challenges that have impacted the overall timeline. One significant issue has been the postponement of roof construction, which has raised concerns about weather protection for fans and players alike. This delay not only affects the aesthetic appeal of the stadium, but also has implications for the project's completion schedule. Additionally, the need for various construction permits and approvals has slowed progress, as navigating the regulatory landscape can be complex and time-consuming. These bureaucratic hurdles have necessitated careful planning and coordination among stakeholders to ensure compliance with local regulations. Furthermore, club members have voiced concerns regarding visibility from the stands, particularly with the new design elements being introduced. Ensuring that every fan has an unobstructed view of the pitch is crucial for maintaining the matchday experience. Addressing these challenges is essential for the successful completion of the renovation, as the club aims to create a modern facility that meets the expectations of its loyal supporters while preserving the stadium's rich heritage. The future. Plans for Camp Nou are ambitious, with a goal to increase the stadium's capacity to an impressive 105,000 seats. This expansion is designed to accommodate more fans, enhancing the overall matchday experience and solidifying Camp Nou's status as one of the largest stadiums in Europe. A significant aspect of these plans includes the development of VIP areas, which are expected to generate substantial revenue through premium ticket sales and hospitality packages. This additional income will not only support the club's financial health, but also contribute to ongoing investments in player development and facilities. Completing the renovations before major events such as international tournaments or high-profile matches is crucial for FC Barcelona. These events present an opportunity to showcase the newly renovated stadium to a global audience, further elevating the club's brand and attracting new fans. By prioritizing these enhancements, FC Barcelona aims to create a world-class venue that reflects its rich history while embracing modernity, ensuring that Camp Nou remains a beloved home for generations to come. As Camp Nou prepares to increase its capacity to 105,000 seats, it will stand in stark contrast to the Santiago Bernabeu, which currently accommodates around 81,044 fans. This significant difference in capacity positions Camp Nou as one of the largest stadiums in Europe, enhancing its appeal for hosting major events. The location of both stadiums also plays a crucial role in their ability to attract international attention. Camp Nou is situated in the vibrant city of Barcelona, while the Santiago Bernabéu is located in the heart of Madrid. This geographical distinction adds to the rivalry between the two clubs and their respective venues. The ongoing debate regarding which stadium should host the World Cup final has intensified, with both venues vying for the honor. Proponents of Camp Nou argue that its larger capacity and modern facilities make it an ideal choice, while supporters of the Bernabéu highlight its historical significance and recent renovations. Ultimately, the decision will reflect not only the stadium's capacities, but also their ability to provide an unforgettable experience for fans and players alike. During the renovation of Camp Nou, several operational challenges have emerged that have impacted the pace of progress. One notable request has been for 24-hour work shifts to expedite the renovations, allowing construction teams to maximize productivity. However, this has been met with resistance due to local regulations concerning noise and light pollution, which restrict work hours and create complications in maintaining a conducive environment for nearby residents. These restrictions have led to delays, as construction teams must navigate the balance between efficiency and compliance with community standards. Additionally, lessons learned from other stadium renovations, such as the ongoing updates at Santiago Bernabéu, have provided valuable insights. The Bernabéu project faced similar challenges, prompting its management to implement strategies that minimize disruption while maintaining momentum. By studying these experiences, Camp Nou's renovation team can adapt their approach, ensuring that they address operational hurdles effectively while striving to meet deadlines. Ultimately, overcoming these challenges is crucial for delivering a modernized stadium that meets the expectations of FC Barcelona and its dedicated fan base. In summary, the Camp Nou renovations represent a pivotal moment for FC Barcelona, highlighting the club's commitment to enhancing the fan experience and modernizing one of the world's most iconic stadiums. These upgrades are not just about aesthetics, they are essential for maintaining the club's competitive edge and ensuring that the stadium remains a cherished home for its passionate supporters. As the renovation progresses, it's crucial for fans and viewers to stay updated on the latest developments and milestones as each phase brings the vision closer to reality. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and like this video to receive timely updates on the renovation journey and other exciting content related to FC Barcelona. Additionally, feel free to explore our related videos, where we delve deeper into the club's history, player profiles, and upcoming events. Your engagement helps us continue bringing you the latest news and insights, so join us as we follow the transformation of Camp Nou and celebrate the future of FC Barcelona together.